2, 3.
You trying to swallow it? Okay, go over there. Take a drink.
Are you taping this? It sucks so bad.
Wow, you handled it really well.
It didn't come out his nose.
Why? Did it come out of yours?
Yeah.
Let me see your mouth.
Yeah,
Smile for me. Smile. You alright?
Gosh,
Woo!
I didn't know it was like that.
It's surprising, isn't it?
Go wipe your mouth. What was it like?
Death.
Dry? Wipe your mouth.